for a safe and enjoyable tour. Safarak Tourism offers you some tips before traveling to enjoy a hassle-free and thrill-rich trip. Deal only with reliable travel companies licensed by Toursub to prevent fraud. Make early hotel reservations for convenient dates at reasonable prices. Never carry an excessive value of money and jewelry. Pay attention to the allowed weight on the plane. Get a credit card and pay using it to avoid manipulation. Do not eat fatty food before the trip. Arrive at the airport 3 hours before the flight. Make sure the passport and visa are valid. Memorize some common daily words of the destination country. Exchange some local currency for use on arrival. Don't put your money in one bag. Place important and necessary documents in a bag to be easily accessible when needed. For safe and enjoyable travel, and to inquire about tours in Turkey, contact Safarak Tourism.